Welcome to Clarinet Day 4. Make sure your reed is soaked and that it's lined up at the top and that your right hand is on the bottom with your thumb against here. Check that these keys, this one's on top, that's nice. Okay, we're going to go with thumb 1, 2, 3 today. Thumb 1, 2, 3. Thumb on the back. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we're just working on open, add your thumb, add your first finger, add your second finger, and add your third finger to cover the holes. Your hands should basically be like holding a sandwich. Okay? You won't be able to play it that fast right away, and make sure that you're not holding it too far out this way, but it's at a 35 to 45 degree angle. And just try 3 fingers, open, 3 fingers with your thumb, and open. Just try adding the fingers on and off. That's all you have to practice today. That's it. It's not much.